As we as a by and large entire fundamentally acknowledge cryptocurrency is one of the extremely eminent most money-related structures in the essentially entire world in an unobtrusive manner for the people who are at this point certainly bewildered about cryptocurrency, then let us enlighten you that cryptocurrency explicitly is a by and large modernized money, and it explicitly is one motivation behind why it in a real sense has various monetary sponsor nowadays, or so they in every way that really matters thought to fundamentally bring in this cash work. The money fundamentally has its coins, tokens and organizations that basically help its clients with selling and buy their work and items. Here under in this article we will illuminate you with respect to one of the cryptocurrency coins that are Anchor Protocol in a for the most part significant manner. What essentially is Anchor Protocol in a kind of huge manner? Anchor Protocol is made by Terra in every way that really matters. Natural framework, or so they thought. It most certainly is a really decentralized cash show. Incredibly, the Anchor Protocol in a real sense was made by Terraform Labs, which generally is genuinely critical. Anchor Protocol arranges goes to Luna tokens, or so they in a real sense thought. The truly head arrangement of Anchor Protocol is to outfit monetary supporters with all the getting to organizations by aiding them in an unpretentious manner. Especially the Anchor Protocol fills in as an interchain show truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Anchor Protocol manages a system that in a real sense is like the monetary patron needs to store their UST to the anchor, and the contributed UST will basically be used to make the gathered credit that will in like manner most certainly get interest in an extremely significant manner. UST is a cryptographic cash stablecoin that in every practical sense is terra's sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking who laid out Anchor Protocol in an unpretentious manner. Anchor Protocol fundamentally is an endeavor of Terraform Lab that truly has made UST and Luna cryptocurrencies, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Anchor Protocol generally was acquainted with the world in 2020, which generally is genuinely critical. Terra's, which by and large is notable in the sort of entire world as UST generally was made by Do Kwon in every way that really matters in opposition to prevalent thinking. Do sort of know was brought into the world in 1991 in South Korea, or so they thought. No most certainly completed his graduation in 2015 with a degree in computer science, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. He in a real sense has moreover generally worked with Microsoft as a partner and Apple, or so they most certainly thought. On 28 July 2014 by and large do as far as plans and purposes might be aware laid out his own Terraform Labs. He most certainly had laid out the association with one of his models, Daniel Shin. But after some time of spreading out Terraform Labs, Daniel Shin explicitly had left the association, which is genuinely huge. Anchor Protocol price prediction: each time a monetary sponsor moves towards a business to explicitly place assets into the monetary patron legitimates investigation that the manner in which things in every practical sense were running from here on out and what its future will be, so the monetary supporter can get some advantage or more, or so they essentially thought. Moreover, it is so critical for the coming monetary sponsor to sort of know how something in the future can for the most part get to them and how especially will be the advantage, or so they thought. Whether the monetary sponsor ought to lose his money or hash will be uncommonly useful. Amazingly so, here we will teach you concerning a couple of cryptographic cash trained professionals and researchers examinations of how the Anchor Protocol coin will act from here on out in an unpretentious manner. Talking about Anchor Protocol price prediction for the rest of 2022, we can sort of say that the coin may similarly especially get to really see some improvement in the extremely impending extensive stretches of 2022. Yet it could be possible, accepting the association changes itself according to the cryptographic cash trained professionals. There basically are somewhat high prospects that Anchor Protocol's costs will really be around 0.1791 UST with a restriction of 0.1897 UST, or so they generally thought. What's more, the surveyed fundamentally the smallest expense will generally be around 0.1712 UST in an unpretentious manner. Anch price prediction 2023 and 2023, the Anchor Protocol coin will really perform well But the improvement in the market cost of Anchor Protocol's coin will generally be normal yet sensible. The monetary supporters won't especially see high advantages in Anchor Protocol coins. The evaluated cost of Anchor Protocol coin will sort of be around 0.2019 USD, and the best expense will be around 0.2134 USD, which is very critical. The base expense of Anchor Protocol in every way that really matters is evaluated to explicitly be around 0.2001 USD. Anchor Protocol price forecast 2024. According to cryptocurrency trained professionals, after 2023, there will fundamentally be rise in market expenses of Anchor Protocol coins, which for the most part is very critical. Experts have surveyed the market cost of Anchor Protocol as 0.2590 USD, and the best expenses can similarly generally go up to 0.2976 USD. The base expense will in a real sense be around 0.2364 USD. In a genuinely significant manner, Anchor Protocol price prediction 2025 here. If we really examine the future assumption for Anchor Protocol in 2025, there are high prospects that the market expenses can similarly go sliding, as the survey shows by the researchers, in an exceptionally significant manner, as demonstrated by the trained professionals. Anchor Protocol presumably won't in a real sense have the choice to bear future circumstances, but if the coin sort of stays to change itself